Hello. It's your girl Cash Money Queen coming to you with another video. And I want to start off saying to all of my 29 subscribers, happy Monday. Happy, glorious, blessed Monday. I hope all is doing well, and it's gonna be a little short video or whatever. I'll be having some leftovers and from yesterday, from Sunday's meal, just a little greens, rice, mac and cheese. Yeah, that's about it. My son ate all the cornbread. Oh, and I got my water bottle. And yeah, so I ain't gonna be doing all that talking. Y'all gotta excuse my hair. I threw this little thing on my head, and yeah. It's good too, y'all. I wish I had my cornbread. My son ate all my cornbread. My mom cooked this meal yesterday. Oh, I did that, didn't I? All right. I'm truly messing up today. My whole spoon just tilted. Macaroni and cheese. Uh-oh. Y'all look at that mac and cheese. It's so cheesy. Creamy. Uh-oh. Yep, that's mine. Talk to my son in the background. Woo! I wish I had me some hot sauce. I almost turned them. My kid ate all the hot sauce. He didn't even say, Mom, when you go to the store, just one fine piece of meat. I wish I knew I was eating. That tastes like a pigtail there, boy. Y'all want a bite? Go ahead, taste it. Open your mouth and bite. Yeah, go ahead. It's good, and kind of losing my food here. I'm trying to see y'all if everything's going on. I said I was gonna go on the diet. Yeah, that's kind of hard. This is truly good. This is truly good. Y'all. Tastes so good. I don't even know what to say. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It tastes good. Whoa. Okay, I'm done. Y'all, so good. I am really full. But I thank y'all for just stopping by, showing me a little bit of love. Like I said, if y'all please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.